Hey guys, what's going on? Sean here. Welcome back. So it's been a while since I've made a video, and I'm back with the third part of this training series. We have a couple more videos to wrap up this specific training series, but I'm back. I've been super busy recently with Action because we just launched Action 2-3 weeks ago, and we're wrapping up the beta right now. And I've been really busy with that. At the same time, we're working on University. We're making a bunch of updates to that as well. If you're a University member, you should definitely stay tuned for those future updates. All right, so yeah, I've been super busy. That's why I couldn't make videos. Now that I'm back, let's continue this training series. So one more thing I want to mention before I start is that, guys, if you haven't watched the previous episodes, make sure you do so, because I remember on the second video that I posted, a bunch of people were confused because they were not sure like what I'm actually talking about, because the title says Clickbank with Bing advertising, but we're not getting there yet. So I was trying to tell everyone that, hey, you gotta watch the previous episodes because we're just getting there step by step. So it's gonna take a while. Obviously, in this video, hopefully we're gonna finish the last part, the last page basically, and then starting next videos, we're gonna get into the Bing advertising. So if you haven't watched the previous episodes, 1 and 2, make sure you do that, because otherwise this is not gonna make any sense. All right, do that, because again, this is not going to make any sense if you haven't watched the previous ones. So let's go over it. Let's get us started. All right. So before I even actually go through it, let me actually talk about the strategy, and let's just do it overall. Do an overall review of the whole strategy before I start building it. So if you remember, in the video number 1 of this training series, we talked about the catch page, right? So the strategy here is that we're gonna start sending traffic using Bing advertising to a series of 3 pages. So the first one is basically the catch page. This is where you get people to take the first action. Usually, for this case, I'm using just a direct page. We're not using any opt-ins or anything like that. We're just sending people directly to a page. This was the page that we created. Simple page, just get people to click. And then that was in second video, which was the previous episodes, we created the value page, right? We finished building up the value page. That's where people actually read and learn something. So this is the page that promises them information, and then this is the page that provides value, provides that information that was promised on the catch page. So again, this was an article. We took this from we researched this, I believe. I don't remember exactly how did we do this, but it was a long time ago. It was like 3 weeks ago. So we did this. This was the information page or value page. Now we're gonna start building the solution page. Again, this is where you make the sell. Now, solution page, guys, is a little bit complicated. Here's why. So solution page is a type of page that obviously you provide a solution to the problem, right? Now the thing is, you have to build the solution page based on what you got. All right. Sometimes, if you're promoting a very popular affiliate product, it's possible that you can set this up in a way that I'm gonna set it up right now. But usually, a solution page, is a headline, something like this. Where is it? Something like this, a headline, and then we're gonna have a video, simple, nothing crazy here, just a simple video, and just a button that takes them to the page, or affiliate link basically. Now the thing is, since I'm promoting the 2-week diet, I was looking at the product, and I'm in the affiliate. This is the affiliate section, by the way. So this is one of the products I've been promoting. If you take a look, there's a way for you to let's go here. Let's go to the affiliate links. So if you see, there's a way for me to send people directly to the checkout page. Another thing I noticed, I was looking through the affiliate section, and that's another thing though. You want to choose a product that provides you all this cool stuff so you can use it in your campaigns. It's just gonna make your life much easier, right? That's why product research is really important. I'm not sure actually if we went through that or not, but yeah, remember product research. I have a bunch of videos about product research, but yeah, so if you go to videos, I saw the sales video here as well. So this was really cool because now what I'm thinking is that, hey, for the value page, for this page, I mean for the solution page, I could just use a headline, okay, get some ideas from the main home page. Let's see. Let's go to the home page. There you go. Alright, so let's pause that. There you go. So what I'm thinking is I can just grab some content from the home page, use the video, and put a button to the affiliate link directly. Okay, I'm not gonna send them to the sales page, because then what I'm doing is that I'm saving a click. Because because the thing is, with this strategy, we're asking people to click so many times, you know, from the catch page to value page, from value to solution, from solution to the affiliate link. So at this point, you just want to avoid too many clicks, right? Because we've had enough engagement. If someone gets to the solution page, we've had enough engagement. We don't want to just overdo it. So fortunately for this product, I can actually get the link to the checkout page directly. I'm gonna put the video, drop a headline for it, and just send people directly to the checkout page. I'm not gonna use this content or anything. The thing is, if someone is, you know, on the third page of your funnel, they will click on the affiliate link. You know, there is a chance that they're already engaged so much with the content that they're going to buy. There's a high chance they're going to buy. So this actually has another benefit that I'm going to talk about. Let me actually just write it down. I just remembered it. This has another benefit that I'm going to talk about. Okay. All right. Just didn't want to forget it. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's build it, guys. I've been wasting a ton of time, so let's go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna start a page. There you go. Again, if you don't know anything, if you don't know what I'm like building right now, all that stuff, you should definitely check out the previous videos. Otherwise, this is really not gonna make that much sense. So make sure you do that. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna call this solution 2 week diet solution. Sorry, my keyboard is covered, so I can't write very well. Alright, let's publish that thing. Okay, and edit it with Thrive. Alright, so again, the goal here is to just finish that page. We need a headline. Let's go ahead and find a headline for us, for our page, alright? Yeah, we could do that. Let's just use that. Okay, let's pull up a template. They have a bunch of templates. I'm gonna grab something really quick. Maybe something with video. There you go. That could work. There you go. Alright, so let's make this smaller. Make this green. Just making it a little bit more pretty, right? Alright, so let's do the video. The video is gonna be Vimeo, I believe. Let's go back to the affiliate section. There you go. It's gonna be Vimeo. Hopefully this works. Alright. There you go. You have to do that. Anyway, so yeah, that's the video, right? So we don't need that stuff. That doesn't matter. So we're gonna add some more content here as well under the video, some sort of like a pre-sale content. But the button is really important. So let's see what kind of call to action buttons they're using, because the thing is, one of the places that you can learn a lot when it comes to conversions and everything, that is the actual sales page of the product, because these guys, they test it all over the place. They test all different variations and stuff, so you could definitely learn a lot from their own sales page. So add to cart, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna use on this page. Add to cart. There you go. So they used add to cart, just all caps then. Alright. Let's make it all caps, make it bigger. Beautiful. Alright, so now let's get the affiliate link. Alright, so let's just make sure, delete that. Affiliate link. Let's go to links. There you go. So it's gonna be my main account, I believe. Yeah, there you go. So let's copy that one and let's drop it right here. Right, okay, no follow it, and let's take a look. I'm just gonna save it real quick. There you go. I just want to make this a little bit bigger and shorter, okay, because just titles, you want them to be headlines, you want them to be simple, you know. Science-based system that is designed to model 14 days. I don't know, this is too long, unfortunately, but I can't do anything about it either. Huh, we'll see. Anyway, so let's add some more information. I'm gonna take that stuff from, let's close this. We're not using this. We're not using this anymore too. So let's go ahead. Let's get some info from here. Let's see. Okay. That's a good one. Beautiful. There you go. So that's it. So guys, just save it up, and the last thing I want to do is obviously add it to this page. So I want to make sure I change the button on this page, and it's saved up. Let's take a look at it. Beautiful. Right? Okay, so let's add it right here. Let's close that. Let's close this as well. Okay. Let's go ahead. There you go, the button. So make sure, there you go. Okay, let's refresh. This should be done. So now, alright, so let's start from the beginning, guys. Okay, so alright, so let's start from the beginning. I just want to have this in front of you so you see it. Let's wait for it to load up. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that this is the first page, right? This is some sort of an opt-in page, basically. So why this is not loading? Alright, that's not important. Let's just close it. Anyway, so this is the first page. You know, this is where you drive the traffic to, right? And then they click on it, they continue to go to the next page to read the article, and then they're gonna click to go to the main sales page, which they're gonna click on. There you go. So they're gonna click, and they're gonna take it's gonna take them to the sales page. Beautiful, right? So that's pretty much how it works, guys. Now let's go to that first page. There you go. So guys, this is the last episode of the page building, and starting next video 4 and video number 5, we're going to get into the Bing advertising. So that's where we're going to talk about Bing ads. Now, if you haven't watched the previous ones, make sure you do so, because those videos are going to explain more about the strategy. So in case if I've missed something, you're going to learn them over there as well. So I'm going to leave a link to the 2 previous videos in the description. Check it out if you haven't watched it yet. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet, because the next videos are coming out pretty soon. I'm just planning to wrap up this series very quick, so next videos are coming probably next couple of days very soon. All right, so thank you so much. Next episodes or next videos, we're going to get into Bing advertising. Stay tuned. Click in the link in the description. That's going to take you to the next videos, also previous videos. Also, there's the link to the course as well if you want to learn more, if you want to learn all these things in detail, because we didn't talk about a bunch of stuff. There's a lot of stuff that you could do. You could do A/B testing to just make sure everything on these pages are perfect. You can compare them, right? You could do retargeting. That's one of the best features of this whole system, because what we do is, because we have multiple pages, we can retarget. For example, if someone lands on the first page, they don't go to the second page, we could advertise the second page to them already. Or if they land on the first page, go to the second page, but they don't go to the third one, we could advertise the third one to them. So that's retargeting. And also we can do a couple other stuff, like we could track user behavior and see how people react to every single page, all that stuff. So that's all explained inside the program. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video.